Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance Concrete Pumps. Today we'll be going over all the different light locations on your pump. With the winter months approaching us now, it's getting darker a lot quicker, and for your own safety, it is good to make sure all your lights are in good working order, and some of them are hidden as well. So we'll start over here at the front of the pump. Obviously we have our headlights, signal right here. On the side, we have a signal light right here. This is a matte granite we're working on. We have marker lights on the back of the mirrors, marker lights on the top of the cab. We've got an SAS buzzer up there. We have got outrigger lights right here and here. We've got a marker light on the deck right here. And finally, we've got a marker light on your tail light box right here. At the rear of the pump, we've got our license plate illuminator right here. We've got our marker light on the top of the boom right there. And on either side, we've got our tail lights, reverse lights, and then we'll come over here. On the passenger side of your pump, we've got a marker light right here again on the taillight box. Come around to this side, we've got another marker light on the deck. You have your two turret lights up there, as well as one on your jib on the tip. And we've got an outrigger light right here. We've got an outrigger light right here, another one right here. And with this truck being a matte granite chassis, you have these step lights right here. We also have a signal light right here. Again, the two markers on the back of the mirror, and all the marker lights in the front of the truck as well. Good. Stay visible, be safe, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.